Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Have your modem model, Spectrum account info, and a phone nearby. Now unplug the modem and router power cables. Do this calmly and wait 30 seconds to clear volatile memory. While waiting, inspect coax and Ethernet connectors for damage or loose fittings. Tighten by hand only. Once done, reconnect power to the modem first, then the router after 60 seconds. This staggered restart helps re-establish upstream provisioning and often clears red status lights. You log into the modem/router web interface to verify signal levels and provisioning status. Look for SNR and downstream/upstream DBMV numbers to spot issues. If you see out-of-range values, note them and skip to troubleshooting. Next, check firmware version. Outdated firmware can trigger red light errors, so update if available. If provisioning still fails, perform a factory reset only after saving settings. This forces the device to request configuration from Spectrum, and often you conclude by running final checks. Swap coax, cable, or test with a known good router if available, because physical layer faults are common. If the red light persists, call Spectrum support, give the modem MAC model, and describe the blinking pattern. Request a remote signal test and a ticket number. Make sure to mention any recent outages or repairs nearby. If the agent performs a reset and it still fails, schedule a tech visit. This confirms whether the issue is line-side versus hardware-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.